Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to convert zip file to APK. So guys, we have also made previously videos like this, and I always recommend you to use a certain website. For this there are plenty, so just on Google type in zip to APK and let us go to this mconverter website. And guys, it's extremely simple here. You just find a zip file on your computer that you wish to convert. Let me do that. Alright, so from my search application I will just drag this zip file, and as you can see you can use a target format. In our case it's already chosen, which is APK. Then press on start. It's going to get converted, and as you can see I already downloaded it. So dismiss that, and if we go to the settings, and as you can see I have my zip file converted to APK. So pretty simple guys. If you enjoyed, press like on the video, give it a huge thumbs up, and of course subscribe. See you soon.